Let's look at the wildflowers. There's the wildflowers, very pretty. Ah! What's on me? 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 Ah! Alright. Can we come around? Go away, bug. Do what I can here. Alright, poor Willow. Alright, I'm going to try again. I've never had any luck getting a willow to grow. It'll grow a little bit and then poof, dead. No matter what I do. And right now what I'm looking for is the stuff that I planted over here some time ago. None of which appears to have survived. And then there's this, which is invasive. So that needs to go. You don't have to come from space to be an invader. Is that, that might be Live Forever. I don't remember the other name of it. That might be Live Forever. That I planted. I planted the Lily of the Valley here. And someone I told that to lost their mind when I said I put in Lily of the Valley on purpose. They're like, oh my god, it's spread, you'll never get rid of it. And I'm like, I'm fine. I'm like, no, I'm not putting it where I need to worry about that. This whole area under the trees, I mean, at least one of these trees has to go at some point. It's not fun. And I hate killing anything. I really do. But it's not like I can pick it up and put it somewhere else. And it's leaning towards the house. It's leaning towards the house. Yeah, so this area here, trees or no trees, is the gardeny area, because there's all the roots from the trees, which can really wreck a mower. Get out of here, fly. So I don't, regardless of whether it's me or someone else, and it's gonna be someone else, because, and I had this whole discussion with someone recently, the way my back is, I can't do it. You can't do one of those riding mowers with a bad back. It's just not happening. And, we've got next generation lined up, hopefully, to do it too. So that's good. But yeah, this whole area, and what a good spot to have a nice contained garden area right next to the house. You know, don't have to go far. And you know, at some points in the day, there's the shadow from the house. And if I get my dreamy dreams, there'll be a carport here. There's no windows to be blocked here till you get to the second floor. And then there's the door there, which I want to turn into a window because I don't need another door. I don't need another door. It lets in the cold air, it lets out the heat, it takes up space. It's completely unnecessary. There's a door here, and there's a door in the back that I just came out of, that I go in and out all the time, where the rainbow circly thing is. I don't need this door. So we're gonna see what we do about that. But the hose that's here, no need to have the hose here at the bathrooms in there. I want the hose switched to over there so that there's a hose in the front and a hose in the back. This, not really helpful. Not really helpful. For that, oh, did you see the zebra swallowtail? Butterfly. I think it's a zebra swallowtail. Pretty sure. Not 100% certain. I hope it came out. Goodbye, train of thought. Anyway, the hose would be better on the front of the house rather than the side of the house, so there's one in the back, one in the front. So, move the hose, carport here, trees endangering the house, bye-bye. New willow put a little further over, because let me tell you, when it's strong winds, oh, then there's a dead branch right above me. That's what we call a visual, folks. Willow trees, not this tree, willow trees are very weak. And I'm telling you, every time the wind blows really, really strong, especially at night, my bedroom is right over here. And I'm going, is it coming in tonight? I don't want it to. I prefer to see it outside. So, you're getting the tree a little bit further away from me would be good. So, anywho, yeah, so, and you see the branches are low here. I love the low branches, but I'm also feeling bad that they're so low that when the place gets mown, that's got to be a pain in the neck. I never did it with a riding mower. I did it with the, motorized push, walk behind, thank you. I did it with a walk behind mower. So I could just, zoop, get them out of my way. So riding mower, that's got to be a pain in the neck. Anywho. Alright, so I feel bad that that's in the way. What I want to do is come out and do, like, weed whacking here. So he doesn't have to go under it. So that he just has to go around. So that's, next project, too. Alright, I wish I knew what the sound was that I heard. I hope it's not squirrels getting in upstairs. That'd be fun. Look at this. There's so much repairs I gotta get done. That little spot there. It might not look like much, but that's structural and unpleasant right there. So and not thrilled how they did the side there either. But whatever. Yes, those are bones. I don't know of what. But I use them quite traditionally. I use them as tools. Yeah. Oh, someone's yelling. I hope everything's okay. That I'm almost 100% certain came from across the creek. And I think they're doing construction over there. So I'm hoping that was, yay, that worked, yelling, and not, oh, goodness, are you okay, yelling. Yeah, I hear kids, like, okay, they're fine. It actually hit the frog as it flew off. That was unexpected. Cheers. Not the view I wanted.